admiring poor Conan so much.
Oh my goodness. It's Godzilla bear.
Big scary teddy bear.
Just when you thought it was safe to go in the kitchen, it's Teddy Bear.
And he's doing what in the wild he would do. He's trying to be threatening to get that bear to go away.
That's a little teddy bear.
I guess she's funny.
He's scared of the teddy bear.
Millions of views is Attila, the surprised kitty.
Yeah, this was an internet sensation. This went viral. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Very funny.
For many cats, especially juvenile cats, that's a very playful behavior.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. The kitten is spiritually divine.
There are no words to describe this adorably astonishing.